Hi guys, this is Python lecture series 15. We are continuing the topic list. So here we are going to see concatenation of list, that is joining two lists and assigning to a new list. That is, you are creating a new list by joining the contents of two lists. And next one is repetition of list, that is repeating the contents of a list for a specified number of times, and we can create a new list. So we will see example for these two in Python code. Let us see Python code for concatenation of list and repeating the list. So here we have created a list A, the elements 3, 4, 6, and list B with the elements 9 to 5. So by having the statement like this, C is equal to A plus B, what does it means? The C will have the elements of A followed by the elements of B. So when you print C, it will print 3, 4, 6, and 9 to 5. And the next statement here, you are specifying that the contents of the list A repeating for 3 times, and that is stored in the new list D. So you see the output. See, the C is equal to A plus B means it will have the contents of list A, then elements of list B. And the next D is equal to A multiplied by 3 times, that is the elements of A. So 3, 4, 6 repeated for 3 times and stored in the new list D. Next, let us discuss list comprehension. A list comprehension consists of brackets containing an expression followed by a for class and then 0 or more for or if classes. The result will be a new list resulting from evaluating the expression. Let us see a Python code example for list comprehension. Let us see Python code for list comprehension. So the first statement, we are creating a list A x square for x in range of 5. So the x will take the values from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the A is a list which contains the values of x square. The x will take values from 0 to 4. So when you print the A, you can see the output of the list A. The next one, another example for list comprehension. B is equal to, this is a nested list x comma y for x in range of 2. That means x will take the values of 0 and 1. For y in range of 3, that is y will take the values of 0, 1, 2. So for each value of x, y value will be mapped. For example, initially x value will be 0. So for x value will be 0, y will take the values of 0, 1, 2. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Like that, next term x will take 1 and y will take again the values from 0, 1, 2. That is 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2. That will be stored in the list B. So again, we are creating another nested list using list comprehension. So C is equal to x comma y for x in 3, 2, 1 and for y in 2, 5, 1. The condition is if x not equal to y. So for example, if we take x value 3, it is mapped with all the y values. So 3 comma 2 condition becomes true. Okay, it is included. 3 comma 5 condition becomes true, included. 3 comma 1 condition becomes true, included. Next time x will take value 2. So 2 comma 2 condition becomes false, so it will not be included. The 2 comma 5 condition becomes true, it is included. And 2 comma 1 condition becomes true, it is included. Again, the same process will be repeated for 1. That is 1 comma 2 condition becomes true, included. 1 comma 5 condition becomes true, included. But 1 comma 1 condition becomes false, it will not be included. So we are printing the list C. So when you see the output, see the first list comprehension creates a list the square values of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Square of 0, square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4. Next comprehension, the x value takes 0 and 1, y value takes 0, 1, 2. That is why 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2. The third list comprehension, where x will take values from 3 to 1, y will take values from 2, 5, 1, but condition is if x not equal to y. Next, we will see using list as stack. So what is a stack actually? Stack is a data structure which follows the LIFO, that is last in first out strategy. That means you can see the structure here. So the push means insertion. That means data will be inserted at one end called as top. At the same time, pop means deletion. That is also taking place at the same end top. So that is in one end only we can insert and we can delete the data item. It is called as last in first out strategy. Let us see the Python code for using list as stack. So you have created a empty list in the name stack. So first I have given the instruction stack dot append 3. That means the element 3 will be inserted into the stack. That is what we call it as a push operation. The next time again I add the element 7. So the 7 will be added after 3, isn't it? Then again stack dot append of 8. So adding at the end, so 8. So we have inserted 3 elements in the order 3, 7, 8. So if you print the stack, the elements will be 3, 7, 8. So if I give the operation I is equal to stack dot pop, that means remove the last element. So that means what will be the element will be removed from the stack, isn't it? Can you find out? 8, because 8 is the element which you inserted last. So last in, first out. So 8 will be removed from the stack. So if you print the value of 5, it will be 8. So we run the code. So we created a list 3, 7, 8. So when you remove the element, the 8 will be removed from the stack. So we can find out whether the 8 is removed from the stack or not. So you can print it again. For example, you can print the stack again. Now we can run this code and find out. See, 8 is removed, only 3 and 7 are available in the stack. Now let us see Anna University questions on list asked in previous semester examinations. Okay, you can find the answers for all these questions from the lecture 9 to 15 which we discussed on list. So first question is in Python, how the values stored in a list are accessed? Should the elements of a list be of the same data type? Second question, what is range function and how it is used in list? Third one, what is list comprehension? Mention its advantages. Fourth one, define cloning in list. And fifth one, write a program to create a clone of the list. So for all these questions, you can find the answers after watching the lectures from 9 to 15.